Hi everyone, it's Stacey from the YMCA. Today we're going to be making a recipe called Sticks, Stones, and Bricks from our Healthy Schools, Healthy Communities curriculum developed by the Michigan Fitness Foundation. Now, I'm not actually going to have you eat sticks, stones, and bricks because that wouldn't taste very good. But you are going to have all these delicious things. So it's super easy. All you have to do is get a plate or a bowl, and you get to add 4 of each of these things to your plate. So you get to have 4 cheese cubes, 4 slices of cucumber, 4 cherry tomatoes, 4 pretzel sticks, and 4 grapes. Now, the really fun part about today's snack is you actually get to play with your food before you eat it. Normally we don't let you play with your food, but today you get to be creative and build something using these pretzel sticks. So, I have an example here. I made some dumbbells to keep you healthy and strong, and a little boat with a person driving. So you guys get to get creative and build whatever it is that you would like with your snack today. I hope you guys enjoy this snack and get really creative. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.